Mix the room temperature butter with saffron, salt, and black pepper. Set aside. For the stuffing, mix the chopped walnuts, fried onions, soaked barberries, soaked dried apricots, pomegranate sauce, pomegranate paste, and spices together. Set aside. Coat the chicken thoroughly with the spiced butter mixture, massaging it into the chicken. Fill the chicken's cavity completely with the walnut stuffing mixture. Secure the chicken's cavity by sewing it closed with kitchen twine or securing it with skewers. Fix the wings and legs of the chicken. Place the chicken in a roasting tray, cover it completely with foil, and roast in the middle rack of a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 2 hours. Cooking time depends on the size of the chicken. Check the chicken halfway through cooking to adjust the temperature or remove from the oven if necessary. Enjoy your delicious stuffed chicken roast.